The space race, a defining chapter of the 20th century, was a global competition that captivated the world's imagination and pushed the boundaries of human achievement. It was a journey that reached beyond Earth's confines, igniting the dreams and aspirations of nations, scientists, and dreamers alike. This comprehensive exploration delves into the riveting story of the space race, where the United States and the Soviet Union embarked on a breathtaking race to conquer the cosmos. The precursors, the seeds of the space race. Before the official start of the space race, both the United States and the Soviet Union laid the groundwork for their ambitious forays into space exploration. The Soviet Union took the initial lead with the launch of Sputnik, one on October 4, 1957, the world's first artificial satellite. This momentous event marked the dawn of the space age and sent shockwaves through the United States. The American response, NASA and the Mercury program. In response to the Soviet achievements, the United States established the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, in 1958. NASA's Mercury program aimed to send American astronauts into space, and it succeeded in 1961 with Alan Shepard becoming the first American in space. Yuri Gagarin, the first human in space. However, the Soviets achieved another pivotal milestone in 1961 when Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space, orbiting the Earth aboard Vostok 1. This accomplishment demonstrated the Soviet Union's prowess in space technology and garnered global attention. The Apollo program, America's moonshot.
That's 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The United States, undeterred, committed to an audacious goal, landing a man on the moon. The Apollo program emerged as NASA's flagship effort. After several missions, Apollo 11 in 1969 saw astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin become the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface, uttering the iconic words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind."
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The Soviet Union's milestones, the spacewalk and space stations. While the United States achieved the lunar landing, the Soviet Union celebrated other milestones, such as Alexei Leonov's historic spacewalk in 1965 and the establishment of space stations, including Salyut and Mir, where cosmonauts conducted groundbreaking research. Competition. Beyond the moon, the space shuttle era. The space race extended beyond lunar exploration. The United States introduced the Space Shuttle program in the 1980s, designed for reusable spaceflight. Meanwhile, the Soviet Union continued its advancements with space stations like Mir and Buran, their counterpart to the Space Shuttle. The end of an era. The dissolution of the Soviet Union. The Cold War's end in 1991 also marked the conclusion of the space race. The Soviet Union, beset by economic challenges, dissolved, and its space program was absorbed by Russia. The space rivalry that had defined an era gave way to international cooperation. Legacy. Awe-inspiring technological and scientific advancements. The space race yielded remarkable advancements in science, engineering, and technology. It also demonstrated the profound human capacity for exploration and innovation. Today, as we look to the stars and contemplate missions to Mars and beyond, we are the inheritors of the audacious dreams and extraordinary achievements of those who ventured into the cosmos during the space race. Conclusion. The continuation of the cosmic odyssey. The space race, a story of rivalry and unity, serves as a testament to human ambition and persistence. It not only reshaped the world's understanding of space, but also left an indelible mark on the collective imagination. As we gaze towards the future, we do so with gratitude for the pioneers of the space race, who showed us that the boundaries of possibility are meant to be tested, expanded, and conquered. The cosmic odyssey continues, and the space race remains an enduring symbol of humanity's limitless aspirations.